Hey, this will be a video chart on EYSM. Did this one sometime back in here. These red lines, or these lines I should say, are from I think the last time I did it. And you can see, the price has since definitely gone up and made much bigger moves. What we're looking at here is a 60-minute chart. So all that means real quick is, instead of each one of these bars representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, they just represent 60 minutes worth of price action. I like doing these time frame charts because they do a better job of kind of representing what's going on within the chart. So I've had quite a few requests on this one asking me to update it, and I've been slacking off, but here we are. It definitely does deserve an update, and you can see that essentially since back here in mid-February, when the price made this initial move here, consolidated when I did the video chart, and then it's since just been making higher highs and lower lows, and that is the name of the game. You can never complain about that. So what I want to do now is just kind of break down what's been going on and then what we want to see happen tomorrow and then going into next week. So the first thing to note is that the leader of the chart seems to have emerged, and the leader looks like it is going to be the purple line there, which is a 60-period simple moving average. You can see that the bears started to gain some momentum here. They really started pushing down the price, and then look right here where the support came from, the 50-period moving average, and the price has since bounced, and that's what you want to see. You want to see support levels not only be able to hold, but then also create what I like to call the trampoline effect. And sure enough, right here, trampoline, it has since bounced back up there. Now, there's still work to be done if this uptrend wants to continue, because obviously in order for an uptrend to keep going, it's got to put in higher highs again. But it's definitely looking better than what it was back here when this price was, or when the price was pulling back there. So in terms of resistance levels, what are we looking at? Well, right now I'm going to zoom a little bit so we can focus more on this action over here. But in the short term, what we have pretty much is almost like a little wedge flag pattern. Now, this is very short term because remember, we are on the 60-minute chart. So basically, this pattern has taken place over 2.5 days or so. But if the price can get out of there, meaning this pattern, then it could very well go back up and give these highs another test up around 0045 and 005. But first, the key step is going to be seeing if it can break up above, what is this level? I'm not sure. Let's see. It's hit 0.0037, 0.0037, and 0.0037. So 0.0037 is definitely the short-term little resistance here. There's clearly some sellers there, profit takers, whatever you want to call them, that have been selling. But if the price can get through that, then the bulls could very well head back up and retest these highs, especially when you look at the history of the chart. Big move, pullback, new highs, pullback, new highs, pullback, new highs, and pullback, and now it's just a question of, is history going to repeat itself again? So it'll definitely be interesting to see what happens tomorrow and next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big board. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So it's at least worth going to the website, signing up, and giving it a try. One more time, this was EYSM. Thanks for listening.